Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Miles on Bike. So in this video it's all about DIY session. So I'll be showing you how to clean and chain your loop correctly. So for those who know how to do it, this is not for them. Those who are new and are not aware how to do it, for them this is the video. So I'll be showing you how to clean and what are the things which you need to check before cleaning the chain. So let's go guys. Guys, see, this is the status of the chain now. As you can see, it's completely dried and it's completely dirty. So in order to open this mudguard and everything, you need Allen key of this size. So to have a perfect cleaning process, what I have done is these are the basic utilities what you require: chain brush, cleaning brush, a bolt opener, a spanner, Allen key. This also can be used for alteration of this, and a bottle of diesel. Why I choose diesel is because what it does is it completely removes the stain once you apply it on the dirty parts of the chain. So in the later on the video you will be seeing how clean the chain becomes from this to the new cleaned one. So let's go guys. So guys, so first of all what you need to do is open this portion of the engine casing. Why? Because here we have it very visible, but the dirt, everything, but we don't know how much of the grease or mud or dirt might be stuck over there. So in order to remove that, as I told you earlier, you might need this, or else in the toolkit itself they provide you with this bolt as well. So you have to remove this bolt and the other one in order to access the case. So as you can see, these were the dirt which were there on the Himalayan all this time from the day I purchased. So it's really dirty. So let's clean this up. If you guys don't want to make your hand dirty, what you can do is you can use the Allen key or any small nut or something to remove the excess dirt from the case. So as you can see, this was the dirt which was accumulated on the bike. So why do we clean this as well, you might ask? We don't know why. Because what happens, the outer chain, yes, we'll be keep lubing it every once in a while or so, or 500 or 1000 kilometer once. But here what happens is all the dirt which comes from outer side of the chain, it will be directly accumulated here, the big dirt or something, because this is basically a dual sport machine. So most of the times we will be doing a lot of off-roading and on-roading both, and the two is a rainy season, you don't ask. So at that point of time what happens, all this dirt which will be accumulated on the grease which you usually spray, right, the chain lube or anything. So what happens, all those dirt will accumulate over there. So this will actually reduce the chain life, what the company will be recommended, right? So you might reduce the chain life up to 20 to 30% if you don't look into this. But that's what we are going to do today. So that's the reason why I am showing you what you can do to avoid all those things. First of all, what you need to do is first after cleaning all the dirt in this, once after cleaning this, we'll be doing the search over there to find some more dirt, because this is not the only place where the dirt will be. It will also be accumulated in this place as well. As you can see, I am removing it slowly. So these are the few things which you guys need to have a look while you're doing the chain loop, everything. I would suggest while watching the video to have a look at this portion, because this is also important, like the one race sprocket. Because from here only what happens, the power goes to the rear wheel and the rear wheel starts spinning. So this is also one place where you need to take care of it. So as you guys can see, here also some dirt is there which has accumulated from the day I started riding. Because I didn't check this out actually. So these are the dirts which you definitely need to remove it, because this can actually affect the chain. So guys, for more videos like this, please do subscribe to our channel. So we'll be getting regular updates on new videos which we're going to be posting regularly. So we had at least cleaned quite a bit of dirt from this portion. So next what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this one, the chain case, right? Because even here you might find the same kind of dirt which should be accumulated, because these are the things which we usually don't check. So that's the reason why I'm telling you this. So as you can see, we'll be opening this. So we finally remove the bolt. So we see here also you'll find same weight of dirt. So same procedure. You can do this, and later after some time just apply some diesel and try to wash it, so that it will be clean for further. So first of all, you guys need to notice this. So you need to take this as the starting point. I am telling you this because you might start from here, you might start from here. So if you start from here, you will know the exact rotation and where to end and where to stop. Okay? So first, what we will be doing is, we'll start applying diesel on this. So you guys have to do it the same fashion. Apply it on the either side of the chain. Keep doing this procedure until you come back to the same position. So what the diesel does is, it will act as the dirt remover, and it will remove all the waste dirt which is accumulated on the chain. So what we will be doing is, we'll be leaving it to set in there for a while. Or what happens is, now we had applied the diesel, right? So what it does is, it will try to remove the necessary dirt from the chain. So we need to let it there for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. Maximum 10 to 15 minutes is more than enough.
15 minutes later.
So after cleaning also, once what you do is, take your brush and slowly start moving it. just to make sure remaining dirt doesn't stick over there. So once this is done, take a clean cotton cloth or in this burning or anything which you have at home, just clean it so that whatever the dirt or anything which was there should be gone now. The diesel also will be completely gone. So now just clean it once. Still, if you are not satisfied, what you can do is that again and again just use the diesel and check where the little bit of dirt, and you can clean it once again just like this on top of the chain. Little bit of diesel will be fine to do this. Now what you can do is again same. Just rotate it. Whatever the excess waste, everything will initially come out. So until the chain dries, what we're gonna do? So we'll try to clean this up as well. So as I told earlier, same procedure. Use the diesel as much as possible. Okay. Wherever there's a dirt, try to use this diesel. So what happens is, when the dirt stays over here, it just come out easily. I got the can of diesel for 100 rupees. This one can comes at least 10 times what I use. But at least for 10 times, yes, your 1 liter of diesel is more than enough. Because this we're not going to be doing on a regular basis, say like 1000 kilometers or 1500 max. Once when you are cleaning, please make sure that you open this as I showed you in the video. Do the same thing and try to remove the dirt, because initially this is the adventure bike, dirt will be all over it as you know. And the same procedure goes to this casing as well. Use lot of diesel over here. Why I am doing the same thing over here is, you might ask, because also still the grease are left over. Even after removing the dirt, everything, the grease are still here. So what you can do is just clean it gently. Just try to remove the excess dirt, grease, chain loop, which will get accumulated here, so that it becomes clean for next 1500 years. Make sure that you clean it. So what happens is, so once you have removed the dirt, clean the portion of the casing. Even the diesel, what you can do is, you can even spray it on bottom of the crash case, everything. So what happens, if you spray it and wipe it out, even the dirt or any oil is there, it will easily come out. That's the benefit of using the diesel. Even yes, people use kerosene as well, that's also a good one. But I prefer diesel over that. But at the end of the day, it's each and everyone's personal perspective. So now, what we do is try to clean this portion, because here what happens, dirt might be accumulated on the whole cavity. Once this is done, sure you dip it so that if any dirt is also accumulated on these bolts, it will come out. So it will be easy. Because sometimes what happens, it might get stuck in between. So next, what we will be doing now is clean this portion. So at the end, what you can do is just keep the clean portion of the push it side, slowly rotate the wheel. So what happens, if any waste or anything which will be stuck over there, it will initially come out. Yes, as I was telling you, yes, it will come out. Now that the chain is clean, next what to do? Next what we will be doing is, we will be covering this next. As you can see, the chain is completely clean now, even the engine casing. But don't mind about the other parts of the vehicle because still it needs some wash. So that we'll do it later. But important thing was we cleaned the chain. So it hardly took me half an hour of time. So to clean it and also to do everything. So next what we'll be doing is we'll be lubing the chain. So we'll be seeing it. So I'll be using the Shell chain lube. Usually I use normal oil for the chain, but whenever you do the cleaning or doing the water wash for your bike, I prefer use a chain lube. Not only this, you have multiple brands on this as well, on chain lube as well. You can use that. So let's see. So whenever you are lubing the chain, as I told you earlier, keep this as a reference. So I think 2 times if you do, that's more than enough. Yeah. So this, the spray what I did, it will at least, you can do almost 500 kilometers again. Do the same thing. Use a chain lube, any chain lube, lube it and just try it out. So guys, I hope the DIY session which we did today was very helpful for everyone, I hope. So as you can see, we need to take care of these things which I showed you in the video today. So if you take care of that, yes, especially definitely the bike will take care of us. I hope you guys like this video. If yes, you hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel Miles on Bike. Till then, next video, take care, bye bye.